we're going to work on hearing and singing the bass lines for chord progressions that use the 1, 4, 5, and 6 chords. I'm only going to use numbers, but you can use solfege. Let's start on the 1 chord and go down. Go down to the 7. Now here's the 6. Down to the 5. Down to the 4. Now let's go back up to the 1. Now we're going to sing the 7 and bring it up to the 1. Now we're going to go down to the 6 and bring it up to the 1. Down to the 5 and bring it up to the 1. Down to the 4 and bring it up to the 1. Okay, now we're going to go back down to the 4, up to the 1, down to the 5, up to the 1, down to the 4, up to the 5, and up to the 1. Now we're going to sing this with the chord progression. The progression we're going to sing is 1, 6, 4, 5. 1, 2, here we go. Here's the 1, down to the 6, here's the 4, and here's the 5. Let's do that again. Back to the 1, down to the 6, here's the 4, and the 5. Good job. Let's do another chord progression. This one is 5, 4, 1, 6. Here's 4, to the 1, and here's the 6. Let's repeat that again. Back to the 5, here's the 4, 1, and 6. Okay, now we have a mystery chord progression that's 4 chords long. I want you to sing along with the chords and the bass, and you're going to figure out what numbers are being played. Here we go. Let's do it again, and this time listen to the direction and the tonality for major and minor. Alright, that chord progression was 1, 4, 5, 6. Let's sing it together. Here's the 1. Down to the 4. Here's the 5. Then up to the 6. Let's end it with one more 1. Great job. I hope this helps you hear some chord progressions and music that you listen to. Practice up, good luck, and we'll see you in the shed.